Good day, everyone. We are from the team on Promptables, and the problem statement we have taken is an AI-based dropout prediction and counseling system. So every year, universities lose students to burnout. The problem with the existing system is that it's highly reactive. That is, they only direct the students who got burnt out after they actually got burnt out. So to tackle this problem, we have come up with a solution. That is a project, Sentinel ERP. A privacy-first early detection system that takes a proactive approach. So this is the login page of a project Sentinel. So as you can see, we have four portals. So the data flows like this. It goes from student portal to the database, and then it is fetched by the staff portal, and the burnt out students are referred to the counselor, and both the student and the staff's details are managed by the admin. This is the dedicated student dashboard. So here we used an engagement score instead of a burnout risk index to give a positive vibe and reduce the stress on students. And like other ERPs, we have the attendance percentage, the average marks, and the on-time assignment submissions, and also the latest mood of the student. So we use it to monitor the academic well-being and the performance with clear transparency. So this is the engagement score trend that is mapped for the whole semester. We have the attendance distribution. And also, this is the attendance page. Here, the student can track their monthly attendance overall. And this is the assignment page where they can see the upcoming and the completed assignments. And this is the test page where they can see the test marks and the upcoming tests they need to attend. And this is the group chat that is linked class to class. From here, we have taking the sentimental data. And this is the feedback section. And this is the profile section where we can see the detailed analysis of the score using XAI techniques. And we also have a privacy and consent page where we can revoke or grant consent for our data to be analyzed by the AI and to be shared to the admins. This is the staff login. Here the staffs can see the anonymized yet detailed analytics of all the students, allowing them to identify the broad trends without compromising the students' privacy. And here we can see the class-wise overviews and the performance comparison between the two classes. If I click on a class, I can see all the class students' details and the overall class trend. And if I click on a student, I can see their score and also what contributes the most to the score using XAI techniques. And I also can notify the counselor. In the student monitoring section, we almost get all the details of the students, and here you can see the highlighted high risk students too. Then you have the report section, then the schedule and view tests. Here the teachers can schedule their tests and assignments. And for the counselors, we have designed a dedicated portal to manage the support flow from the active referrals to the outcomes. And here too we have de-anonymized student data so that we can give them personalized counseling in both online or in person. Here we get the student referrals from the staff are login. And here we can schedule the sessions with the students who are on the verge of burnout. And here we can track the campus wellness trend. In crisis, an escalation path is necessary. So we have included a super admin level of access to the designated authorities like the head of the departments or the dean. So they have the oversight to manage the student and the staff rosters. So Basically, functions are almost similar to the staff. Like you can see all the details, but they can manage the students. Like you can add a student, give their name, select a class, and also giving them an email. And here the new student name is created. And also we can remove an existing student. Same with the staff. I'll give a name, assign a role, and then I'll give a Gmail, and then the new staff is created. If we now go to the analytics section and click a class, we can see all the details similar to the staff login, but the data is anonymized. Like you can see the trends and the top contributing factors too. So this is a system architecture for Project Sentinel. First, we get the data from the data sources, we hash it, and we store it in a Firebase backend. Then we pass it to the GRU transformer model, get the scores, and then display them in the dashboards of various logins, like the student, counselor, admin, and staff logins. On the conclusion, our project, Sentinel ERP, is not just an application. It is a new framework for a healthier academic environment. We turn data into an opportunity for timely and human connection. Thank you.